Students, today we are going to discuss about another compound of boron in unit P block element. Boron is the compound of third group. Also we studied their compounds, but here a most important compound named diboron. The molecular formula of diboron is B2H6. First we start the formation methods of diboron. Here we take some chemical reactions who prove that how can we produce diboron. So first method is nominated by from boron trichloride. Its formula is BCl3. When lithium aluminium hydride react with boron trichloride in the presence of ethers, it makes diboron and subtracted lithium chloride. So its chemical reaction is given as formula of lithium aluminium hydride is LiAlH4. It reacts with boron trichloride BCl3 in the presence of ethers. It makes diboron B2H6 plus aluminium react with Cl to form aluminium chloride. Its formula is AlCl3 and subtracted lithium chloride LiCl. Now for balancing we used digit 2 and 4 for boron to choose a 4, and for lithium aluminium hydride for Li3, then aluminium AlCl3. So the total chlorine atom is 10. Here 3 is a 9, 9 and 3, 10. Then this reaction is balance form, balance equation for the preparation of diboron. So another method, also it is made by boron trichloride from boron trichloride. The formula of boron trichloride is BF3. It reacts with lithium aluminium hydride LiAlH4 plus BF3 in the presence of ethers. It gives diboron B2H6 plus AlCl3 and subtracted lithium chloride. Not Cl3, F3 because here chlorine atom is available. AlF3 and LiF, and the same balanced 3, 4, 2, 3 and 3. So these are the equal formation method of diboron. Now next method, named reduction of boron trifluoride. Its formula is BF3. When boron trifluoride BF3 react with lithium hydride LiH at 450 degrees 50 Kelvin temperature, it is reduced to form boron diborane B2H6 and make LiF, lithium fluoride. The formula of diborane is B2H6 and subtraction of LiF, lithium fluoride, because Li is the alkaline metal and fluorine is halogen. Their ions have single unit positive charge and single unit negative charge to form LiF. For balancing, here we use twice digit for boron atom and for fluorine 6 and also for lithium 6. Now next preparation method from electrical method. When boron trifluoride BCl3 react with hydrogen in an electrical spark tube, it reacts with hydrogen to form diborane B2H6 and make HCl. So here 2 boron atoms are available and 6 chlorine atoms are available, and total number of hydrogen atom is 6 and 6 12. So here we use 6 each. This method is known as the electrical spark method. Also here boron trifluoride react with hydrogen to form diborane. Now another method is most important, from sodium borohydride. The formula of sodium borohydride is NaBH4. It reacts with iodine I2. It is also a higher BPT solution because their boiling point is more than 9. At higher temperature, it makes diborane B2H6. Boron reacts with hydrogen to form diborane, and sodium reacts with iodine because sodium is alkaline metal. Its ion have single unit positive charge. It makes cation, and iodine belong halogens group, have a single unit minus charge to form sodium halide NaI. and substituted hydrogen gas plus H2. For balancing, here boron atoms are 2, so 2. For sodium, 2. Then total number of hydrogen atoms are 8, so 6 are here and 2 are here. This is the balanced equation of diborane formation. Now last preparation method, from boron trifluoride and sodium borohydride. The formula of sodium borohydride is NaBH4. It reacts with boron trifluoride BF3 and make an interchange compound NaBF4 and make diborane B2H6. For balancing, 3, 4, 3 and 2. So these are the preparation methods of diborane. Students, in next class we discussed about the physical properties of diborane, structure of diborane, and then their chemical properties and uses.